Thank you for your interest in working with Palletfly.com. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the ordering process step by step. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. If you're planning on selling these products on Amazon, make sure you do your due diligence prior to beginning an order. This includes checking for common issues, such as restrictions, hazmat, or any other requirements Amazon may have. We've included a link for you to check if you're gated on every product page. We also have a separate service that can assist you in getting ungated. If you're planning on shipping your order directly to your warehouse, you can skip right to Step 3. Step 2. Create a mock shipment in your Amazon Seller Central account to determine if there are any restrictions and if they are requiring you to split the shipment to multiple locations. More information about the mock shipment can be found on the Buyer's Guide. Step 3. Send a purchase request on Palletfly.com. Once your request is received, our team will work on creating a quote for your order. The quote will contain a breakdown of your order details, including price, quantity, lead times, or other notes. Be sure to review this information as it may have changed from what is published on the product page. Step 4. Once you have finished reviewing the quote and everything looks good, you can hit the checkout button on the bottom of the email. This will take you into your account, where you will be able to check the item out of your cart. You can also see the items available for checkout in your account under the My Inquiries located on the right-hand side of the header bar. Items with a checkbox to the left of the product image are ready for checkout. The status for each inquiry is also listed in the lower right corner of the inquiry. Now, this is very important to remember. Once you check out, we can no longer cancel your order for any reason. So please do your due diligence and research before checking anything out. Step 5. Select the items you wish to check out by selecting the checkbox to the left of the image. If you're using a mobile phone, you may need to rotate your phone to see the checkbox. Step 6. Press the checkout button. Once your order has been checked out, our team will generate an invoice and send it to your registered email address. Step 7. Pay your invoice. We accept many forms of payment. A full list of payment options are available on our site. Step 8. Await shipping instructions. Give us some time to pack up your order and get it ready to ship. Once we have the shipping details, our shipping team will notify you via email. All information you will need will be provided on the shipment email. Step 9. Respond only to the shipping email thread with the requested shipping documents. If you have any questions regarding your shipment, forward the shipment thread to your sales rep with your questions. If you'd like our team to book shipping for you, request a quote on the shipment thread. For pallet shipments, please make sure to set our team as the pickup contact so that we can schedule the truck to come in. Once your order ships, our team will update you with a PRO or tracking link. Now, there are a few more things that need to be pointed out. 1. We do not offer ASIN labeling or product prep unless there is a note on the product page. Most products come in retail packaging and have a manufacturer's barcode on it already, so you can ship it into Amazon as is. And that is the end of the order process. I hope you learned a few things and are ready to go.